Howdy ladies and gentlemen, today's video will be covering 5 historical misconceptions you won't believe are true. Please, enjoy. Number 1. Paul Revere never actually shouted, "The British are coming." While everyone knows the story of Revere's famous ride in which he was said to have warned colonial militia of the approaching enemy by yelling this phrase, this is actually false. According to History.com, the operation was meant to be quiet and stealthy since British troops were hiding out in the Massachusetts countryside. Also, colonial Americans still considered themselves to be British, unless you were like the utmost of a patriot. Number 2. Cleopatra was not Egyptian. Despite what many believe, the last queen of Egypt wasn't born in Egypt. As best as historians can tell, Cleopatra VII, which is her formal name, was actually Greek. She was a descendant of Alexander the Great's Macedonian general Ptolemy. Mind blown. Number 3. July 4th isn't the real Independence Day. It is actually July 2nd because this is when the Second Continental Congress in Philadelphia actually voted to approve a resolution of independence. Although July 4th is when Congress adopted the official Declaration of Independence, not everyone had signed until August. Number 4. The first face on the $1 bill was not George Washington. This one seems pretty hard to believe. The first president was not the first face on the $1 bill? The first face to appear on this currency was Salmon P. Chase. The first $1 bill was issued during the Civil War in 1862. Chase was the Secretary of Treasury at the time, and was also the designer of the country's first banknotes. Number 5. Christopher Columbus wasn't the first European explorer to discover America. Columbus was 500 years too late. In fact, it was the Norse explorer Leif Erikson who landed on American shores during the 10th century. Erikson could definitely be considered the first European to discover America. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will now be posting on Sundays only, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating factoids. Bye.